Hi everyone. When we face the challenges, then we reach the success. Without facing the challenges, nobody in this planet has become successful yet. You can mention anybody's name in this planet who has become successful without facing the challenge. Everybody has to go through the process, and the process is kind of challenge where people suffer. Those people who accept this challenge and separate these challenges from the success, believe in me, they become successful. But they need to face these challenges. You can take the process of a caterpillar which turns into a butterfly, but it also needs to go through some challenges. In beginning, a caterpillar, when it starts turning into a butterfly, so caterpillar stops eating, hangs itself upside down from a tree or a leaf of the tree, and hangs itself upside down from the twig, and it needs to go through some processes. Suppose if caterpillar tries to come out of that cover cocoon, and you help that caterpillar come out of that cocoon and you cut the cocoon, so what happens? The caterpillar is unable to turn into butterfly. Helping caterpillar, it means you are not letting it become a butterfly, beautiful butterfly. And when it comes out of the cocoon just because of you, it means you are making it disabled. It is unable to fly. It's a nature. So you need to work upon the instinct which we have. Every humankind has the instinct. And the success instinct approaches when you really work naturally. A person is there who needs to go to the destination. Suppose three persons are there. They wanna head to one destination. You can take the example of the Mumbai. Suppose if I have three members from the Nagpur, they wanna head to Mumbai. One hires the car, one goes by flight, one goes by train. Somebody heads to the, suppose somebody wanna head to the Mumbai on train, so somebody goes to the Mumbai by train. But the thing is that the ways they are choosing, the three ways are different, but destination is same. And suppose while riding, if the driver takes wrong turn, destination changes itself. The person who wants to head to Mumbai is unable to reach Mumbai because of the wrong direction. Same, if a plane takes a bit left turn, would reach or reaches in another state. Yes, and same is with the train. If it goes to the another track, so it can reach another place. So when destination is same, ways are being changed, it means there is no any clarity. In our life, if you want to reach the destination, it means you want to reach the success, you need to keep the clarity in the process of getting the success. The process should be clear. The procedure which you are taking, you are using, there should be a clarity. Then you can reach the success, and you need to go through some challenges also when process is there, because in beginning the process which we make, they do not help us soon. We need to accept these all challenges, and when you keep working, keep repeating over and over again, so what happens, these all challenges become your success. And success is our duty. It is to be with us, it is to be achieved by us, and it can be achieved by those people who take the right process. Their procedure is always good. Suppose if they take the different turn, even though they come again on that track and they again reach the same destination where they want to reach, but only they need to work upon the challenges. So in our life, lots of challenges are there and we need to separate these challenges. You know very well, when you want to have a cup of tea, a cuppa, and suppose there's a cream on that tea, there's a layer, the layer of the that, you know, when you have tea, there's a layer, there's a cream on the tea. So what do? You leave that cup of tea, or you remove that cream and then you take a cup of tea. It depends on us. We need to take these all challenges and separate them and reach the success. Just because of these challenges you can reach success. You cannot enjoy having a cuppa unless you find a cream over there. If there's a cream, you can remove the cream and you can enjoy a cup of tea. Same is with the milk. When you people have the milk, some people have the problems when they have the milk. They say there's a cream, they don't like, they feel like vomiting sometimes. Some people puke also when they get the cream of the milk. But the real thing is that they can remove the cream and they can have the milk. Only it is to be done. So when we are reaching our destination, we need to take the clear procedure. Clarity does matter when we have the good procedure. And suppose if there's no any clarity, it means we are not going to reach our destination, which is still there. So destination is same. You need to reach this destination. So I think Mumbai is there. It will not go here and there. Only the way which you are using, there should be a clarity. Right track you have to take. You have to accept that the track is really going to the Mumbai or not. So if there's a problem, remove that problem, separate it, because challenges are the base of especially reaching the success. So in our life, if you want to reach the destination, you need to work upon the procedure, and the procedure which is being made by you, so it should be clear. There should be a clarity while making the procedure. And suppose if you are making the wrong procedure, remove it, make another one, repeat again and again, work upon it, practice, retreat. Then you will understand what is mistake, what is a mistake over there which is being made by us, and we can remove that mistake, we can rectify it, we can correct it. So this is the thing which we need to do in our life when really we want to reach the destination. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.